In this video, I will show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. Scheduling an email in Outlook is pretty easy process, and here's how to do it. First of all, open your Outlook and click on new email just like so. And here, write the email address whom you want to send or schedule a mail, and in this subject box write here your subject, and in this message body write here your message. And now to schedule this mail, all you have to need, click on file just like so, and here click on properties. Once the properties opened, here delivery options, you have to check this box, do not deliver before, and before you have to select the scheduling date and select the scheduling time from here. And now all you have to need, just click on close, and now all you have to need, just click on send, and that's it. The mail has been successfully scheduled, as you can see. So this is how we can schedule mail in Outlook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.